Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny. Today we have a mukbang and I have some wontons here. Some of them are chicken and vegetable and some of them are chicken and cilantro. And then I have an egg and then I have my jjajangmyeon here. So I got an egg because I was just like, I've been craving this for the longest time, but I didn't want to film it without, I didn't want to eat it without filming it with you guys. So my egg is not that yellow. I'm sorry I don't have like the best setup for mukbangs, but it's what I can do, and I am getting a bigger table like in 2 weeks or something like that. So let me try this. I still really like the wontons. I think they're really good. I think some people actually call these dumplings, which I think dumplings are different, but So welcome back. I wanted to film a like trying the most popular ASMR foods, so I'm like nervous though because that honeycomb is so sweet. I haven't had honeycomb in, it seems like forever, but I love my honeycomb videos. I'll have them linked down below if you guys are interested, but let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Oh my goodness. I was hoping I did not mess my makeup up, so let me go ahead and eat my egg. I should have cut this up, but it's okay. Let me know your guys' favorite foods to watch for mukbangs. I think mine are like fried chicken. I can't tell the difference between the spinach and vegetable. I mean the vegetable and chicken and the chicken and spinach. Or cilantro, I think they taste the same. They taste kind of the same to me. So I'm so excited because on Wednesday I get my lash extensions back on, which I've been missing them for the longest time. And I just like didn't get them done because first of all it's so expensive. It's like $200 every time you go. Actually it's $200 the first time because I get like super volume, and then it's $100 for a fill no matter if you have classic or regular lashes. Like it doesn't matter, it's just $100. And so I've been putting it off because it's like it's just really expensive, and it's usually on the opposite side of town. So she has a location in Altadena, and then she also has a location in Long Beach, which I love that she has a location in Long Beach now because, I mean, if you guys know I'm Khmer, so I have family in Long Beach, so I'm so excited, and I'm gonna get some Khmer food. I'm gonna get some Khmer food so I can do like a mukbang for you guys. It's like hard because like sometimes I want to do like American mukbangs, like fried chicken and Alfredo, like that's not American, but like whatever. I always want to do like, you know, different kind of foods, but then every time I go to Long Beach I'm like, okay, I have to do a Khmer food mukbang. So let me know what you guys want me to get. Like I said, I'm going on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, so if you guys want to leave a comment down below on what I should get, and I'm pretty sure this is going up on Tuesday, so my cat wants to play. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or if you guys have a favorite Khmer food that you want me to eat, then let me know. I kind of want to do mikatang, but I feel like people are going to think it's like Thai food, but mikatang is Khmer. So, I don't know. That's like one of my favorite foods. I would say that this noodle is not that spicy. It's a little spicy, but it's not that spicy to me. So I'm gonna go to Long Beach on Wednesday. I have to get my Takachu. Oh my god, I have to. So I'm very excited to go and see my lash tech. She is seriously the best, and she's like so sweet. And then while I'm there, I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping. I want to go to the Converse store to get some new shoes because you guys, I used to have them like a few months back, and then they got dirty, and then I think my mom threw them in the washer and they turned yellow, and I was like, I do not want these anymore. So yeah, I want to get them, and then maybe I'll just dry clean them whenever they needed cleaning. I tried having my boyfriend try this, but he did not want to try it. Do you guys drink a lot of water like while you're eating? Because sometimes I do that, but then other times I find myself just eating without drinking anything. I feel like now that I'm conscious about it, I'm like getting my water. This is really good, but I don't feel like it's a meal that I'll like cook up because I want to. Like, I'm filming a mukbang and a lot of people have tried this, so I wanted to try it, but I don't think it's something that I would just, oh, I'm craving Samyang jjajangmyeon noodles, like, you know. Am I even saying that properly? I don't know. I do think that I like the carbo noodles better than this, just because I feel like carbo noodles, you can add cheese to it, you can make it more cheesy and more creamy, and this one, I feel like I can't really do much to it just because it's already how it is, as is. So it's like I can't make it creamier, I can't really do anything to like alter it. So I don't know, I kind of like the carbo noodles a little bit better. I might do another mukbang on that and tell you guys how my college experience was. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. I definitely had to deal with some mean girls in college. It was literally like high school all over again. But I can tell you guys about that in another video. I want to do a seafood boil soon, but I want to get it from like Boiling Crab or something, just because I tried making my own seasoning, my own like sauce, and I could not do it. It was like the hardest thing ever. I'm actually gonna cook Chrissy Teigen's banana bread today, and that's like one of my favorite things to make, or to bake rather. And it's really good. It's like, I don't know if it's the healthiest thing for you, but it's so good. It's so simple to make, and it has chocolate chips in it, which, like, thank you. Thank you. I love chocolate chips in anything. I did want to eat this with kimchi, but I actually ran out this weekend, so I definitely have to go get more. Oops. Is my cat behind me? So I'm very excited for next week. My mom's gonna have her baby soon, so I'm like stoked for that. I'm gonna go home for a few days and then come back home and work, and then after that we're off to Disney World. So excited for you guys to see the vlogs. I love when my little sister vlogs with me too. This is getting a little spicy. I can taste it. I know that in Koreatown there's a place that sells this noodle, but like the authentic version. I don't live on that side of town, so it's so hard to like go out and get stuff. Okay, you guys. Whew. I can feel the spice now. This is like really spicy to me. Like towards the end, it got really spicy, but I do really like this noodle. I think it's really good. I do think that if they took the spice level down a notch, it would be more enjoyable. But otherwise, I think it's good. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want another mukbang from me, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my ASMR channel. I did make one, and I will leave the link down below. I decided I wanted to do like a separate ASMR channel because I know a lot of you guys don't really like ASMR, and I don't want you guys to feel uncomfortable here on my beauty channel and like lifestyle, so I figured I would just make an ASMR channel, and hopefully that goes well. It'll take a while for me to get monetized because obviously you have to wait to get approved and everything, so yeah, I hope that that goes well. Wish me luck, and if you guys would like to subscribe to that, then please click the link down below and subscribe to this channel as well as my ASMR channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!